tracking spare parts inventory in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to keep every spare on the shelf, set reorder points, and get a warning before you run out mid-repair. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Maintenance, Parts from your dashboard. This is where you keep track of every spare part on the shelf, so you're not caught without what you need mid-repair. The list shows each part's name, quantity on hand, and reorder point. To add one, click New Part. Enter a name like Glycol Pump Seal Kit, set the quantity on hand, and set a reorder point, the number that triggers a reorder warning. Link it to the asset or assets it fits so it's easy to find from the equipment side later. When you use a part on a job, log it from the work order. And this count updates on its own. You don't update it twice. If a part drops below its reorder point, it's flagged right here so you know what to order before you run out. Click any part to see its full usage history, where it went, on which job, and how fast you're burning through it. That's how you set the right reorder point instead of guessing.